today's video is going to be a what sold video. Let's do the last 2 weeks. It's been very, very slow. Very slow. So yeah, this is just real life, what's going on in my business right now. It's been craziness. Let's start from the 26th then, okay? All right, so we're gonna do a little split screen. I'm gonna show you guys the things that I sold on Poshmark in the last 2 weeks. Okay, on March 26th, I sold this super cute Adidas baby pink oversized crew neck. It was so cute. I wanted to keep it for myself, but I didn't. I sold it for 40 bucks. Yeah, it was super cute. It was oversized. It was super cute. On the 27th, I sold a pair of Under Armour running shorts. I've had these shorts for a while. I sold them for only $6. I was willing to let them go because I've had them. What's the matter? A bundle. This was my biggest bundle I ever sold. I'm not gonna go through everything individually just because there were 26 things in here and I don't want to make this a super long video. So yeah, I sold 26 things, you guys, and they were all, yes, they were all Victoria's Secret sweatshirts. Craziness, definitely my biggest bundle ever. I had to upgrade shipping. On Poshmark, you can only upgrade shipping to 10 pounds. This box was almost 20 pounds. So when we went to the post office, we had to pay the difference. So yeah, big bundle. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, next sale were these Levi's vintage 501 high-rise jean shorts. These were so cute. So I had bought these off Poshmark and I distressed them myself. And yeah, these sold very quickly within like a couple of days. I sold them for $25. All right, next I sold this pink Victoria's Secret tie-dye flag tank top. This was super cute. If it was my size, I probably would have kept it. I sold this for $9. You know, I had this for a little while, so I was willing to let it go. Also on the 28th, I sold my Miss Me jeans. I told you guys in a previous video that I was on the hunt to find Miss Me jeans. Well, I only sold these for $23. I guess I missed the Miss Me hype. I feel like Miss Me jeans are not popular anymore, but at least I can say the lighting just changed a lot. At least I can say I found a pair and I sold a pair. Next, this hoodie was so cute. I really like the color. I'm really into that like mustardy yellow color. It's just a like mustard yellow color, pink Victoria's Secret logo hoodie. Sold it for $13. I think it had a stain on it. Oh no, it had a small hole near the pocket in the front. So that's why I was willing to let it go for a lower price. Next sale is another pink Victoria's Secret hoodie. This one is just pink. It had a kind of like distressed neck, which was like intentional. It was made that way. I sold this for $18. And then this, oh my gosh. Okay, if you watch my videos, which I know you do, if you're watching this video, I am so friggin' sorry. Okay, so I pride myself on shipping either same day or next day. You know, if it's like the weekend, then it's definitely on Monday, but most of the time it's same day shipping with me or next day shipping. And I thought that I had shipped this jacket. This was sold on March 30th. Today is April 7th. And I actually just found the jacket today. Like I had gotten an email from Poshmark and they're like, hey, you gotta ship this. I'm like, wait a second, I thought I did. So, you know, I emailed them back and I said, yeah, I think it's lost. So they're like, okay, we'll wait a couple more days and see what happens. So my stupid ass did not ship this and I am so sorry. Watching this video right now, just know that I am so sorry, but I mailed it out today and I actually just got a notification that it started tracking. So it says 2-day shipping, so you should get it within 2 days. Did I even tell you guys what it was? No, I didn't. It was this really cute Abercrombie & Fitch cropped jean jacket. Super freaking cute. And again, I'm so sorry that my stupid ass thought I sent it out and I didn't. Next is this sweatshirt. It's a Flagler College bleach distressed sweatshirt. Actually found this shirt at the bins. I think my husband actually picked it up and I bleached it and distressed it myself. This one sat for a little while. It got a bunch of likes and then I relisted it. It got like a couple more likes and then it finally sold. I sold it for $15 and this was Champion brand. Next we have a bundle of 3 things. We have some Adriana Goldschmied, the Angel bootcut jeans. Super cute jeans. And it was Pilko and the Letterpress, which is an Anthropology brand. These are Stat jeans. These were super cute. They had like little slits at the hem. They were super cute. And then this Patagonia light blue, kind of like heathered blue zip up hoodie. I gave this person an amazing deal. I sold all 3 of these to her for $50. Okay, next sale was this pink Victoria's Secret sequin logo tee. This one had a lot of likes. But you know, no one wanted to buy it. So I finally settled on an offer of $15 for this shirt. I had gotten this at a 50% off day, so I did not pay much for it at all. Next we have some Lucky Brand Charlie baby boot cut studded jeans. I had had these forever, like ever since last summer, I want to say. I picked up these jeans, so they sat for a while. Someone just came in and bought them outright for $18, so I was happy about that. Next is this Levi's baby pink logo crew neck sweatshirt. This was super cute. I ended up selling this for only $10. It sat for a while. I got this on a 50% off day, and I don't know, I wanted to get rid of it, and I just let it go for $10. It happens sometimes. This person caught me on a good day where I was just like, I'll just let it go. All right, next is this Adidas logo bleached hoodie. So this is one that came from my personal closet. I distressed it and then decided to sell it. It looked really, really cool. I actually distressed this in my video that I made showing you guys how I distress things. But yeah, this looked really, really cool. I ended up selling it for $27. I sold something from one of my Goodwill mystery boxes. I think she watches my videos. These Loft curvy skinny olive green dress pants, they were really nice, and like such a pretty color. I love olive green. So yeah, she bought these for $15. I have a bundle of 2 items, a pink Victoria's Secret baby pink lace back tee. This t-shirt was really, really cute. And then a pair of American Eagle super stretched distressed jeggings. Super cute. I sold that bundle. She got a really, really good deal on that bundle. I sold those 2 things for $17. Next is a bundle of 2 things. We have pink Victoria's Secret yoga shorts, and then these BB. Do you guys call it BB? I remember in high school, one of my friends called it Bebe, and I'm like, I think it's BB. But these shorts were super cute. They were technically sleep shorts. Yeah, it says BB sleepwear on it, but these could totally be worn like anywhere. So yeah, those 2 shorts, I sold them for $20. And then I had another bundle of 2 items. First was this Newport, Rhode Island graphic hoodie, which was super cute. I loved the graphic on it, and I love Newport, Rhode Island. It's such a pretty place. So that sweatshirt, and then this, oh my gosh, this sweatshirt was sick. It was just a like light pink vintage drag racing sweatshirt. I don't know, it just had a drag racing graphic on it, and it was just really, really cool looking. I sold those 2 items for $30. Next was a Victoria's Secret Angel zip up hoodie. This was just Victoria's Secret. It wasn't the pink line, and it just said Angel on the front. I sold this for $15. Next are these Nike mauve running crop leggings. These were so cute. Such a pretty color. If they were my size, I totally would have kept them. But they were an extra small, and Mama ain't an extra small because Mama's got some junk in the trunk. So yeah, these were really, really cute. I sold them for $17. Next is this North Face Denali black jacket that I'd had for a long time. I ended up letting it go for only $20, which is an amazing deal for a North Face jacket. My husband won't stop texting me. Next is a bundle of 4 things. I actually just listed these yesterday afternoon, and they sold overnight. So this person just put everything in a bundle, and they got a 10% bundle discount. So it was this pink Victoria's Secret tie-dye crew neck sweatshirt with the matching tie-dye shorts, super cute. And then this pink, these 2 pink Victoria's Secret kind of like color block crew necks. They had like leopard print on them, really, really cute. So those 4 items, like I said, she just got my 10% bundle discount, so she paid $90 for them. Next we have, I sold a bunch of bundles today. A bundle of 3 things. We have a Nike logo zip up hoodie, these Nike lightweight gray crop joggers, and a North Face cowl neck hoodie. I gave her an amazing deal and let those go for $35. Next is a bundle of 3 things, and this is from someone that is a repeat buyer. I think this is her like 3rd or 4th purchase from me, so Thanks, girl. I think you watch my videos too, because I think you had commented on one of my most recent videos. Husband, leave me alone. First is this pink Victoria's Secret logo pink hoodie. This was only listed, I think like 2 days maybe, and it sold. Super cute, really pretty pink color. This hoodie was so cool. If it was my size, I would have kept it. But it's just a pink Victoria's Secret zip up hoodie. It said pink on it. Well, you can see the picture. Like, so cute. I love the colors. I love that yellow color. I'm just all about that yellow color. And then these pink Victoria's Secret logo crop yoga pants. I'd had these for a little while. So I gave her a great deal. Those 3 things for $32. All right, next is this Nike confetti white zip up hoodie. Super freaking cute. And if it was my size, I would have kept it. I just let this go for $13. It was an extra small, which is kind of a hard size. I feel like if it's pink Victoria's Secret, it's not a hard size for me to sell, but any other brand extra small is very hard for me to sell. So I just let it go. Okay, 2 more sales. This sale is a bundle of 7 things. This is a repeat buyer. This is the person that bought 26 things from me a week ago or a week and a half ago. She bought 7 things from me, and they are all 1, 2, 3. Yep, they're all pink Victoria's Secret hoodies and jackets. I'll just briefly show you pictures of them. So I gave her an amazing deal on this bundle because she was a repeat customer and because she had spent, you know, a little bit of money with me before. Those 7 hoodies for $80. Last sale, as of right now, I sold these Lucky Brand chevron print flats. I had them listed at $25 and I just sent out an offer for $15 and somebody snatched them up within like seconds of me sending the offer. So that is a total of 71 items in the last 2 weeks, or like a week and 6 days. So that's slow for me. I mean, even with that bundle of 26 things, it's still slow for me. But those are the times we're living in. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I plan on doing these, you know, as often as I can because I like doing them. Comment down below and let me know if you want to continue seeing these. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It's KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit when you do, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.